Audio Conference Bridge allows you to arrange conference calls of up to 8, 25 or 100 users, depending on your subscription. If you do not currently have Audio Conference Bridge enabled on your system, please speak to your service provider. To set up Audio Conference Bridge on your system, first log into your iPECS Cloud Manager portal and navigate to the Call Manager menu on the left-hand side, followed by the Audio Conference Bridge option. You should now see the available package licenses listed at the top of the screen. Select Modify and enter an Audio Conference Bridge number. Please note, this must be a number that does not conflict with any other numbers on the system. You can now apply a direct dial for external users to gain access to the Audio Conference Bridge and enter a description of your choice. Click Save to finalise and click OK to confirm. Next, navigate to the Internal User tab. This will give you a list of all the internal extensions that have access to the Audio Conference Bridge. Apply their data by pressing the Apply All Information to Audio Conference Bridge button so that the user's information shows when taking part in the conference. Follow the same process for external users who are added via the company directory. Again, the Apply All Information to Audio Conference Bridge button will send the external user's information to the conferencing bridge for when they enter a conference.